Truth and Light Conference will feature Dr. Richard Caldwell, lead pastor of Founders Baptist Church in Houston, Texas, and nationally recognized biblical counselor and teacher Dr. Priolo. We invite you to attend our Truth and Light main conference on March 4th through 5th for practical teaching and equipping on living faithfully in a hostile world. Join us for our special pre-conference on helping marriages in severe crisis. The central teaching will be on how to restore and rebuild a marriage after an adulterous affair, and will be brought by Dr. Priolo. Whether you're a certified biblical counselor or just a concerned believer who desires to minister to marriages in trouble, these 2 evening sessions will help you become equipped to apply Scripture in counseling couples in crisis. Check-in for this pre-conference is Friday, March the 3rd from 6 to 6:45 p.m., and 2 sessions are planned for the evening with refreshments provided. The Truth and Light Conference is hosted by Timberlake Baptist Church of Lynchburg, Virginia, and you can visit www.tbccounseling.org for all the pre-conference and conference details and register to attend.